No matter how deep the darkness may be, even the flame of a small lamp has the power to pierce through it. And when the passion to create change awakens within a person, then even amidst the fiercest storms of struggle, that person can achieve the light of success through courage and hard work. Such was the story of a slum boy who at just 2 years old was abandoned along with his 3 days old sister in a crime-ridden slum of Delhi. At an age when children play with toys and balloons, he had to sell balloons in order to continue his education. To fight hunger, he worked as a child laborer and took up small jobs at medical stores. Yet, despite all these hardships, he never allowed his dreams to die. And one day, when a group of intoxicated youths brutally beat the child while he was selling balloons, instead of running away in fear, he made a promise to help those very youths break free from addiction. At just 13 years of age, he began his social journey as a community police volunteer with the Delhi police. When the time came to protect his younger sister from social evils like child marriage and dowry, he initiated a movement for social change that would eventually transform the direction of his own life. Inspired by these struggles and experiences, at the age of just 26, he laid the foundation of the Ladli Foundation. And today, that slum boy is bringing a new light of change into the lives of millions across the country. You may not inherit anything in life, but if you possess patience and dedication, society can give you more than you ever imagined possible. This is the belief of Devendra Kumar, under whose leadership the Ladli Foundation, supported by more than 150,000 volunteers, is actively working not only across India but also in the United States and Africa. Their efforts have directly impacted more than 3.5 million people so far. Their key initiatives include connecting children with digital education, providing healthcare support to women, helping children overcome malnutrition, guiding youth away from substance abuse, and providing social security to thousands of daughters through community marriage programs. For bringing grassroots-level social transformation through his humanitarian work, Devendra Kumar has been honored twice with national awards by the Government of India. His work has been appreciated by 4 presidents of India, and in recognition of his extraordinary contribution, he was also nominated for the Padma Shri. Today, the Ladli Foundation has earned special consultative status with the United Nations and has emerged as one of the country's largest grassroots organizations, working toward transforming millions of lives. These are not just statistics, they are the reality of a new beginning. Devendra Kumar dreams of a future where every girl receives safety, healthcare and dignity, and where the Ladli Foundation becomes the country's largest platform for women empowerment.
दिल्ली पुलिस और लाडली फाउंडेशन के अध्यक्ष श्री देवेंद्र गुप्ता, इन दोनों को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि जन सामान्य में लाडली सुरक्षा के प्रति एक जागरूकता पैदा करने की दृष्टि से एक अभिनव प्रयास उन्होंने प्रारंभ किया है,
जिन्हें देश का हर बालक जानता है, बड़े लोग जानते हैं, शासन प्रशासन के उच्च अधिकारी उन्हें पहचानते हैं और मैं उन्हें बहुत भीतर से जानता हूँ। एक निश्चल, सौम्य, सरल, अल्हड़, अत्यंत विनम्र, विनयशील और उच्च चरित्र, अत्यंत संस्कारों से सुगठित देवेंद्र गुप्ता।
I would like to congratulate Shri Devendra Gupta ji for doing a revolutionary work in Delhi government schools.
Of course, the inspiring journey of Devendra, the founder of Ladli, defines the value system around which Ladli as an organization has been built. And that's very, very evident when you talk to anybody in Ladli.
लाडली फाउंडेशन के मेरे मित्र देवेंद्र गुप्ता जी को मैं बहुत बधाई देता हूं और उनका आभार मानता हूं।
देवेंद्र जिस पृष्ठभूमि से आते हैं, फंडामेंटली उन समस्याओं को देखा है, उन्होंने उन समस्याओं के समाधान खोजे हैं।
I am so happy to be able to support the Ladli Foundation. Devendra is doing such a great and authentic job.
What began as the struggle of one abandoned child has today become a movement of hope for millions. Devendra Kumar's journey reminds us that greatness is not born from privilege, but from courage, purpose, and an unshakable belief in change.